I'm Stephanie White. I'm the Global Customer Service Manager here at QED Technologies. Emergencies come up all the time and we're reprioritizing who needs what first, but it's all about the customer, all of it. If a customer calls me directly, we generally have a really nice conversation, but get down to business and figure out how we can solve their problem for them the fastest way we can. If it comes in through email, the service and support team will see if they can get information that they might need to help solve the problem faster. If it's an engineering issue, sometimes you'll even get an engineer responding to you. Downtime is something that costs customers money, and we know that. The fact if they can get up and running with some remote support as sort of a band-aid before we can get there, or even if it just fixes the problem. Our customers are very smart. They usually work very well remotely with us, and we can get them up much faster being able to do that either through a video conference or a telephone. Our technicians and our field service engineers are global. If a customer has a problem at 2 o'clock in the morning in Texas, they're more than likely going to get a response from perhaps Europe or Korea, but they will get a response as quickly as someone can get one for them. We're not a 9-to-5 shop. We service customers in all time zones in all countries, and having a 9-to-5 Eastern Standard Time just didn't seem to fit with the customer demands. Learning how to help customers do things faster and better makes them happy, and I get a lot of job satisfaction from that. Generally, I get a lot of thank you notes, especially via email, and that really says something. I've been in service and support for many, many years, and when a customer takes a few minutes to recognize that someone did a good job, you know they did a really good job.